You are welcome to the Saturday News Headline. This is Saturday, July the 24th. And you know what's up? You know what's happening. Oh God, BB Naija. You can see it here. BB Naija 2021 live update thread and some other news, sha. But let me go on BB Naija. See some comments here on Naira Land about this BB Naija. Dope, exciting stuff. You can see it finally is here. Make Papaya no enter this big brother house. So this season's team now choke it. Streaming link, please. You can see another streaming link, please. You can see another one here. Big Brother Naija season 6. He choke. That is the team. He choke. Is that the team? With full ground. This soundtrack makes me excited. Innocent is life. Please, any live link can see. Emmanuel is part of the housemates. There is this guy also Erin or something. There is this guy. Is he white? White something. Sha. It's also part. Let me just go to 60 something page here, so you can see some things on BB Naija. Some comments here on Naira Land. US Army not bad. This Perez intro takes time boring, but no winner has emerged from the first day. I think the girls are yet to be unveiled. Better to wait and see before deciding who is an all-rounder or who are you standing. Let me go to don't mind this Google Play Store stuff. Let's just go on with it. So on 63, let's check through some things here on page 63 here. I said page 63. I mean column 63 here, like the page 63. I'll just catch you cool this night. Big Brother Naija, you know, some people said to those people who don't watch BB Naija, I just read it on the WhatsApp status, status. Oh God, they said those people who don't watch BB Naija that they should take care of the country for us. That after this 3 months of the old BB Naija, you know, it's like 72 days, so that's like 2 months and 10 days. 2 months should be around 62 days, so that's 2 months, 10 or 11 days. So they're like, take care of the country for us, so make we go dey watch BB Naija. No. What I just tell you is midnight when these contestants are sleeping, make una go sleep, make una go as in SLEEP, sleep. They go dey sleep. Some people will still be watching these people like, what's up? Don't mind what this my phone is showing me. So you can see here, there is one Earrings Nest money, this white money too. People have been talking about him. So let me check through other news. Honestly, okay, we've do the BB Naija for quite a while since this is the starting day, like Saturday. So I just have to give it a time for us to actually say something on it. So let's go on other news. Let's just check too. So there is a news here. The price of a haircut in your area, like, is a question, not like a news. This by Google Play Services. What's up? Okay, Ole Gunnar Solskjaer signs new Manchester United contract until 2024. You want to see that? Check through that news. 17-year-old University of Port Harcourt students declared missing. This is very, very unfortunate. May he be found by special grace of God in my own religion, Christianity, in Jesus' name. Yeah, that's what I would say. Obituary and pictures of a private security guard killed by armed robbers in Uyo. Check that news to see what is there. My fiance's anger issues. What she does when she gets angry. You can check that. Nollywood actor on sickbed for 20 years cries for help. Let me just check the face. Then there is one news here before that load. Greedy Nigeria professors and their salaries also. So this is a Nollywood actor they are talking about. I pray he seeks help, like the Actors Guild of Nigeria, AGN, should come to his rescue. Let me go to latestnigerianews.com. Let me just show you some news. So I should be able to go to Kemi Filani and Linda Ikeji just to check some little stuff. I just want to give you different spice. This Saturday, I'm excited. BB Naija, you know, is a very exciting show. Like, most of these people are really, really engaged. They are talented. Like, there is one that is a polymath. Like, they have different things they do. So it's really exciting. But let's check further. And Tokyo 2020 has also been trending very well. Omotayo knocked out of men's table tennis singles. Wow, I think that's one of our representatives in Tokyo. So here again, army urges public to disregard video immigrating troops and all that. What's wrong with this? Don't mind this, my phone. You know, when you're recording like this, I don't even care if it goes low or something. Let's just show. So be checking through this. Lagos LG polls. Yes, local government election took place in Lagos. It took place in Ogun State. That also happened today. You know, today has been such an exciting new day. So season 6 team is shine your eye. Shine your eye. You know, shine your eye. Make them no go give you opolo. Make them no go carry opolo inside water for you. Shine your eye. Let me just go to Kemi Filani. Let's check through this. You know, I've promised I'll definitely show you. So definitely, like, I will show you. Even though I'm still gonna be through with this news headline, but I'm gonna show you. Sunday Igboho, people are working behind the scenes. Sanwo-Olu, 2 weeks in Lagos, finding out BB Nigeria 2021. Meet Boma, Saga, and other BB Nigeria 2021 mail house, blah blah blah. You know, Sunday Igboho seeks asylum in Benin Republic. Ahmed Musa sparks out after joining Fatiu Karagumri. You can see some other news there. Let me go to Linda Ikeji. I'll round it up here on Linda Ikeji blog. Then I think I've done quite a justice to this Saturday news headline. This is Sheyi Speak, and you know I give you exciting stuff on this channel. Please don't forget to subscribe. Please subscribe. Like, keep supporting this. So Linda Ikeji, what do I have here? JLO goes Instagram official with boyfriend actor Ben Affleck. Okay, BB Nigeria 2021. Best app to sell gifts, blah blah blah. This is a sponsored. This girl was crying that she's no longer a feminist. I also saw it on Ireland, you know. Just check through the news. Thank you very much for following me through. I really appreciate you. Thank you very much. Please don't forget to subscribe to this channel. God bless you. 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 BB Nigeria excites me, man. It's getting interesting. Stay tuned on it. More exciting updates coming.